Welcome to this online class. Today we will see the first poem from the textbook, The Ice Cream Man by Rachel Field. I'm sure you all like ice cream. It is cold, sweet and wonderful to eat in summers. The ice cream man brings ice cream for us. So how do you feel when you see an ice cream man? I'm sure ice cream man is your favorite person. So let us read and enjoy the poem, The Ice Cream Man. The Ice Cream Man. When summer's in the city and bricks blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight! To see him full with cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chilly thing to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white, or pink. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas, the way the children cluster around, as thick as honey bees. So let us see the new words in the poem. Meanings. Meaning of blaze, bright flame or fire. Trundling, moving on small broad wheels. What is the meaning of mounds? Hip or pile. Frosty fizz. It's a chill drink making a hissing or bubbling sound. And the last word, cluster, to gather around something. Students, now read the poem silently. So let us see the explanation of the poem. In the first stanza, the poet talks about the sunny days in summers when it is too hot outside. It explains how the ice cream man brings a sigh of relief for the little children in this weather. This poem talks about his visit to the streets and going around spreading joy in every lane. In the second stanza, the poet goes on to describe the little cart of the ice cream man and how it has a round umbrella over it. The poet discusses the way the ice cream man fills cones with loads of ice cream. She also tells us how his generous servings of ice cream are a joyful sight for all. In the third stanza, the poet talks about the variety of flavors the ice cream man brings for all, like strawberry, vanilla, chocolate, and soft drinks. The ice cream cart also contains colorful cold drinks in various colors like green, orange, white, and pink. These bottles are filled with frosty fizz, which are also children's favorite. At the end of the poem, the poet compares the ice cream man's cart with a flower bed. She says that it might be a flower bed which contains roses and sweet peas. This is because as honey bees attract to a flower bed, similarly the little children surround the ice cream cart. So students, in this poem, the poet beautifully explains the role of the ice cream man. He brings happiness for the little children and allows them to enjoy a cool treat in the summer heat. Thank you.